you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working with Celie hair. This is their company's information and social media information, and it also comes with instructions on how to take care of the hair. It comes with a wig bag for you to store your wig in afterwards, some eyelashes, and a bunch of other goodies that I'm going to be showing right now. This is the unit we'll be working with today. It is 16 inches in body wave and the color 427. It is transparent lace. It's 13 by 4, although on the sides it's about only 2 inches of parting space and 4 inches in the middle. You can get away with a side part, but just not a deep side part. It comes with 3 combs and 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Running my fingers through it, I did not get much shedding, and also it didn't tangle. The lace did not come pre-plucked, but it also did not come very dense, so that's okay. You're able to work with it as far as plucking. All the information for this wig will be down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and let's get into this slay. Alright, so here's my cousin and model for today. I bleached and plucked this wig off of camera, and right now we're just going to be cutting out the ear tabs.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do gives me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
Now I'm just cutting off the lace. You want to make sure that you are cutting in a zigzag motion and not straight across. Today I'm going to be using TheRaeSymone liquid gel. I will leave the link down below if you would like to purchase this product. We're going to do 2 layers and then apply the wig.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I
after laying down the lace, I'm going to go back and apply gel to any parts that did not get any gel underneath.
It's you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around,
Here we're just deciding if we're going to go ahead and do a middle part or if we want to do a side part. And we went ahead and went with the middle part.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, one trees beach you.
Next, I'm going to section out the baby hair and hot comb the rest of the hair back out of the way. Then I sprayed it with some Got2b and tied it all down for about 10 minutes.
Right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you
So after the 10 minutes, I'm just going to cut the baby hair to my desired length. And then we're going to go ahead and use our tiny pencil flat iron, which I can never go back to doing baby hairs without it. It just makes everything flow so nicely. And then after that, I'm just going to lay it down with some mousse, tie it down. We're going to press it out, and then y'all going to see the final look.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the
I'm just going in and cleaning any residue that I see. I'm also going to go in and pluck the part, apply a little makeup. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box for the information on this wig and any products used in this video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want my subscribers to be more active. Let me know you're watching. Let me know you like it. Let me know what you don't like. I need to hear something. Like, I'm not seeing anything like where you guys at. I see y'all subscribing, but I'm not seeing the activity. Let me know how y'all liking my content, and I'll see you guys in my next video.